Didn't do us any good.
Yeah.
There's traffic on this side.
Over here is traffic.
Yeah, after this.
This is indoor, Han.
Yes.
How do you know it won't die?
Good morning, Philippines! All the animals are fed.
Me too as animal.
Both the dogs ate.
Oh, thank you, big
They
boy.
eat everything but they ate.
Look at guys, he make me breakfast early. Yeah, thanks, Han.
Yes.
Han, you don't have to do all this. Did you eat?
No, I can't. I gotta start a regimen.
What regimen?
Cereal.
Did you eat something?
No.
What do you mean?
Like I gotta have a green at breakfast, but I gotta eat something in the morning.
That's why you have to eat something in the morning. So what are you gonna eat with me? Han, you should be eating with me. What is this all about? You like
Cereal is not like really bad cereal.
that cereal over there, they're still good. That's sealed. They're all sealed. Guys, good morning guys. Look at this guys. Kagigising ko lang talaga guys. As in, you wanna see my face guys? Look. Ito tayo sa baba guys. Dala ako ng bandages. Kanina pa kami sa baba. Ano si Tami. Inayos niya yung AC namin dito. Where are you? Come here. Nagdugo-dugo guys. Daming dugo. Where are you? It is 11 o'clock. How many windows you open, Han? Nakadating pala si Tami kagabi guys. Ano na? 1 something. Hello. Your socks. Oh, Tami and I was looking what we were spending time outside, and we are talking about having another dog. Talking about another dog, and he wants some German Shepherd. I want Husky. And then we were talking about dogs, and then I was talking about Great Dane. And you know what? I look at Great Dane. They are so big. So, yun, parang gusto ko. Parang gusto ko yung Great Dane. Pero guys, ang dami palang kakainin. Ang daming kakainin ng Great Dane. Nakakapurdoy. Malakas kumain. Kasi yung muscle nila kasi. I know you don't like we leave you, okay? I know Misty knows. Oh, Roxy is so lonely all the time. Are you gonna get si Dada's getting some treats for my babies? We will be right back, love. No, we will be right back. You're a good girl. We love you. We love you so much. Yes, we will be right back, love. Dada's getting some treats. Excuse me, baby.
You're right. There's no light there.
What do you mean? Yeah, because I put it inside. It's like broken.
I know, but look at shade. There's no sun on it on that spot.
It will be.
What's under that hedge? There's the other light.
What?
Is an animal over it?
No, what are you talking about? There's light over there.
No, looks like there's an animal next to it.
There
A
is?
bird. Water service probably going to fill up somebody's pool.
What is that?
Water service.
Water service? Oh, what, if you have swimming pool, you have to hire somebody like that?
No, but if you try and do it with a hose, it could take you a week to fill it up.
That's fine.
So it's easier to just call and have the water delivered.
Yeah, and then it cost you more money instead
Yeah,
of
but
you
not
have free
expensive.
water.
It's nice and
Tommy want in-ground pool, guys, really. Oh,
yeah, but they're just seal coating that driveway. They're not.
what's this guy doing? Are you gonna...
And even that, I don't see the way they're seal coating. They're painting on.
What is that they're doing?
Seal coating. It's like make it black and just put a coat of over it.
So they're not
But
putting
usually
a
they do it
concrete.
with a spray gun. They're rolling that on.
So they don't do a concrete, new concrete.
No, they're not putting a new driveway there. That's just seal coat.
We can do that to ours.
You can. The only problem with seal coat is that they don't fix nothing. Ideally, you want to fix all the cracks and stuff first.
But did you see our neighbor?
Yeah.
It's like they just did it not last.
Because they seal coated it, and they didn't fix it. So the cracks just open right. It's like painting it, huh? It's like painting a wall with cracks.
How to protect it? Just like the wood. You protect the wood from the rain and the sun.
It's asphalt. Bonk. This turns out as one big pain in the ass. Bonk.
Huh?
This turns out as one big pain in the ass. Bonk. 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 Especially people not really good drivers don't know how to cut in. Bonk.
No, there's one big no here.
Yeah, well, right now you're stuck with these. This guy was doing it. Bonk. Bonk. He's trying to let you in, but you can't really go because there's. Oh, so we let that guy out.
Yeah, I cannot do it here.
Yeah. Bonk. 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 It's still nice though, though. It didn't do us any good.
Yeah.
There's traffic on this side. Bonk. Bonk.
Over here is traffic.
Yeah, after this. Bonk. There's one car after being on. There's another one pulling out. Bonk. Bonk. After this car. Bonk. 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 Check your side. Bonk. Go over there. Bonk. Bonk.
Hi guys, andito na kami guys. Nilagay ko lang itong ano, tissue holder para sa ano, andyan sa pasahero unlock. Yan. Yeah.
Let's see if we can lift it high enough. Like that.
Yeah, she posted.
Need some work on that.
Yeah. Okay. Hi guys, wala pa akong lunch and yeah. Dito kami ngayon sa ano, sa nursing home. Inano lang ni Tami, dinadrop niya yung ina niya. Yeah, ang init guys, grabe, ang init. 87 degrees sa labas. Nag-usap sila ni Tami sa kapatid niya kung anong gagawin. I think magpunta sila sa kung saan yung katawan. Kasi gusto ng mga anak dalhin dito yung buong katawan. Pero ang gusto ng kapatid nila kasi i-cremate. Hindi po kami guys. Tingnan sa Tami. And gutom ako ngayon as in. Wala sila. They don't have it. Then it says if it's not here, he said it's gonna be front. So guys, bumili kami ng flower pot. This one. 12 bucks ito siya. Ito is 14. Almost 15. Yeah, that's good. One only.
No, this is potting, especially for fast growth.
Fast
They
grow.
grow fast.
Do you have to mix it with the soil?
Yeah, you want topsoil.
Which one is topsoil? No, not that. How about this one? Oh, it's potting mix too. This one right here. That's one.
That's what I got.
No. Oh. How much is that? That's not the. Is that the price? No, the flower like that. You can buy like that, right?
This.
For the bathroom. Yeah.
$14.98.
That's the price. Dami silang ano, guys. This is indoor, Han.
Yes.
How do you know it won't die? What? It will die? Huh?
Houseplant, bright light. You got those near.
Bright light?
Bright light.
No, bright light.
Like the sliding doors or something.
I like this one. But not. Hala, do you have a lot of cactus, Han? Is this cactus? No. This is not cactus. Tingnan nyo, guys. Look at the name. What's the name? The real, guys, is so nice. Look at this.
Drought tolerant. These are cactus family because they.
Cactus family, right?
Yeah, because they don't even.
Man, this one is so nice, and they put something in the middle. Look.
Yeah.
How much is this?
Even if they're short on water, they don't die.
Yeah, how much is this?
Yeah, on sale for $20 from 30.
From 30. So nice. This is 5. Is this 5 fingers? Yeah, it's 5 fingers, guys. Look, count it. It's always 5.
Okay.
That's 5 fingers.
Anyway, do you want one of these?
No.
Sure.
Yeah. One day I wanna get one of this. Okay.
What?
This kind of this
Well, then
kind.
you should get one because you don't know what they're gonna have next week.
No. Let me see how much is this. There's no price. No, we're not gonna get big one. I'm not getting it today, Han. Let's go. Let's go.
There's gotta be a price hanging somewhere.
There's no price. I know it's gonna be expensive. Walang presyo, guys. This is nice too, guys. Look at this. This one right here. Sogo palm. 12 bucks. 12 bucks. What it says? Hold on. It's a grow. A bright light also. It says bright light. Gusto ko to siya. Oh, ito guys. Gusto ko to. Okay, let's go. I don't need it now. Tara, let's go because I'm hungry. Hungry. On the other side. No, the hand sanitizer under it. Guys, we feel like we are in the fire. We're on fire. It's so... Huh? Because you never shut it off.
I know, but the hose is leaking in the middle of it.